Assalamu alaikum, welcome 8th class in the Lasanian virtual classes of second semester. I'm hopeful you're all fine. I'm your English teacher and here is the working of day 6. So let's start the working. Here's our today's working unit. Children understand him, right meaning. The first one is pride, फ़ख्र या गुरूर, हॉस्पिटैलिटी मेहमान नवाजी, मिसचीफ शरारत करना, फ्रेंडली दोस्ताना, मेमरीज यादें, अपस्टेयर्स ऊपर की मंजिल, रॉड धारना, हार्बर पनागा, रिवॉक मनसूख करना या रद्द करना, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट इज़्ज़त नफ्स या खुददारी, स्ट्रीम नदी, ह्यूमर खुश करना या मेहरबानी करना. Here is our first question. To what is old man compared in the second stanza? Why? The old man is compared to a dry stream bed. The poet is telling us that the man has led his life. Its course has been run like that of a stream or river, and it is now dry. Why is old man sent to his room when there are guests in the house? The old man would probably bore visitors with stories of his life and may also put visitors off by showing some of his infirmities. Do you think the old man always lives in same house? Give reasons. The old man probably goes from one child's house to the next. We are told that he has sons and daughters. Putting up with him is a hard task for them, so they probably take it in turns to have him to stay and to look after him. Who gives friendly punches to chest? To whom? Who gives damp kisses? Who has scrambled cheeks? Why? The children give old men friendly punches to the chest. The old man gives his grandchildren the dumb kisses on their scrambled cheeks. The children's cheeks are scrubbed by their parents when they are dirty. Do the recipients of punches and kisses like these things? Give reason. Yes, the recipient of the punches and kisses like those things because they understand the old man and go to him as a sailing boat goes to harbor. They feel safe on his knees and they find his company friendly. Can you think of anyone in your family who lives a life similar to that of the old man in the poem? Yes, because life on earth is full of challenges. When we let go of our limiting belief systems, everything becomes interesting. We all were unique and learning in our own way. Here's the next one. What do you think is meant by the phrase living on memories? Living on memories refers to the thoughts and recollection of the old man. He lives in the past, relates stories of his life, and probably wishes for that life again rather than the current situation in which he finds himself. Do you like poems? Say why you like or dislike the poem. Yes, we like the poem because it is a perfect example of the ease which expresses Pakistani life, atmosphere, and culture, and yet appeals to a universal leadership. What does intent means? Intact means kept in one piece and kept as originally intended. Who has kept his pride and self respect intact? His association with his grandchildren has kept his pride and self respect intact. They still value him. What metaphor is used to describe what he might have been without this? Without this, he might have been a dry stream bed. Who are they, the grandchildren? When do they sail to his knees and why? They sail to his knees when they play with him. And here is the last question. Which words or expressions are used metaphorically here? The words sail for more towards and harbor for safe place are used metaphorically. So dear students, that's all about my today's working. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.